Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You start by minimizing new writes. Stop using the device and enable airplane mode or disconnect it. Next, check the app account and any linked cloud backups. Sign in to verify timestamps so you know what can be recovered. Once done, gather tools, a data recovery app or desktop recovery software, a USB cable, and admin access. You do this because preventing overwrite and confirming sources maximizes the chance of full restoration. Before running any you now run the recovery. Launch the chosen scanner and pick Deep or Forensic Scan if Quick finds nothing. Deep scans read leftover fragments and database records. Target the app's specific folders, local databases, caches, and media directories to increase precision. While scanning, monitor progress and enable file type filters for likely formats. Once the software lists results, preview items and export recovered files to an external drive or separate folder. Never back into the original location to avoid accidental overwrites. You finish by validating each recovered file. Open documents, test media, and inspect timestamps so you know what is intact. Then restore using the app's import or restore tools, or perform a manual database import if the app supports it, making sure to back up the current state first. If items are corrupted or missing, try another scan method, a different recovery tool, or restore from cloud snapshots. If nothing works, consider professional recovery services as your last resort.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.